Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about CMOS SR latch using NAND gate. After the completion of today's session, you are able to draw the CMOS SR latch using NAND gate and explain the operation of CMOS SR latch using NAND gate. Okay. So SR latch, let's go to the logic diagram. So here you can see this logic diagram consists of two NAND gates, and as we know, the truth table of NAND gate has, as this one is the 2 input NAND gate, so truth table of the NAND gate contains 4 input combination, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so for any 0 input to NAND gate, the output is 1. Okay, so by using the truth table of NAND gate, let's discuss the truth table of SR latch using NAND gate. Okay, so here also you can see 2 inputs are given, so there is 4 possible input combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. See here 4 possible input combination. Okay, so first we take this input combination, that is 0 1. So 0 1. Okay, so as we know, for any 0 input to NAND gate, the output is 1. So here 0 is given at the input of the NAND gate, so at the output we get 1. Okay, so this one is given here as input, so when we give 1 1 at the input of the NAND gate, at the output we get 0. So for input combination 0 1, the output is, for Q it is 1 and for Q1 is 0. See here, this one is Q, this one is the Q bar. Okay, so Q is 1 and Q bar is 0. See here, Q is 1 and Q bar is 0. And when Q is 1, then it is a set operation. Next input combination is 1 and 0. Give here 1 and 0. So as you know, for any 0 input to the NAND gate, the output is 1. So here we get 1 and this one is given as input to this NAND gate. So 1 1 is 0. See here, when the input combination is 1 0, output is Q equal to 0, Q bar is 1. Q is 0, Q bar is 1, means this one is right. And whenever Q is 0, then it is a reset operation. Okay, then when we give input, that is 1 1, okay, from this we are not able to assume any output for this, so it assume or it hold the previous state value. So in the previous state we calculate this one 0 and 1, so here we get 0 and 1, means it hold the previous state, there is no change occur here when the combination is 1 1. See here, it hold the previous state. Then last one, when we give 0 0, so as we know, for any 0 input to the NAND gate, the output is 1. So as the outputs are complement to each other, so this is not possible that both the outputs are 1. So this is a not allowed condition for this. So here this one is a not allowed condition. So this is all about truth table and logic diagram. Then we find out the output equation, because by using that equation we draw the SR latch using CMOS logic. Okay, so here another input is Q bar, so S into Q bar whole complement. Here Q bar equal to another input is Q, so R into Q whole complement. Okay, by using these two equations we draw the diagram. So here we use dot operation. So for dot operation, PMOS is parallel and NMOS is series. Okay, so PMOS are connected in a parallel connection and NMOS is connected in a series connection. Okay, next this one is the SR latch using CMOS logic. So here you can observe that for dot operation is used here, and for dot operation PMOS connected in parallel, so this one is the PMOS part and this one is the NMOS part, NMOS connected in series. And as per the logic diagram, the output of this NAND gate connected to the input to this NAND gate. So this one is the output, this one is connected here, and the output of this NAND gate connected to the input of other one. So here it is connected, and the PMOS are connected in parallel and the NMOS are connected in series. But by doing the diagram step by step, it is easy to understand. So we will do the diagram step by step. So let's draw the diagram of SR latch using NAND gate. Okay, so now we draw using CMOS logic. So this one is the diagram, consists of two NAND gates, and here is the two equation. These equations are drawn using CMOS. Okay, so here as this one is the NAND gate, so dot operation with complement. So here dot operation with complement, the equations are given in that format. So for dot operation, PMOS connected in parallel and NMOS connected in series. So the basic structure, as we know, this one is the PMOS structure, this one is the NMOS, here the VDD, here Vout, here K inputs, and here is the ground. So as per this basic structure, we draw our diagram. So we draw these equations. So first equation is Q equal to S into Q bar whole complement. So here dot operation is used. So first in PMOS part, the transistors are connected in parallel. Okay, complete PMOS part. Then for NMOS, transistors are connected in series. Okay, series, then we connect them as in CMOS structure, one NMOS and one PMOS is connected and one input is given to them. So here one PMOS and NMOS is connected and here as per the equation one input is S and the other input is Q bar. Okay, this one is the VDD and this one is the ground, and from this point the output is taken, which one is Q. Okay, then the same structure for this equation we draw here. So for upper part, for PMOS, they are connected in parallel. Okay, for lower part it is connected in series, means for NMOS part. Then we combine one NMOS and one PMOS. Similarly here. So for this equation input is R and other input is Q. So this one is the Q. Okay, and the output taken is Q bar. So as we know, the Q bar is given as input to R, S, this NAND gate. Okay, so we connect here. Okay, and the Q is given as input to this NAND gate, so we connect this here. So the rest part is, this one is the ground, this one is the VDD. So the structure is complete using CMOS. So this is all about CMOS SR latch using NAND gate. Thank you.